Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Ingenico credit card machine, updated. Plug the power cable and connect to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, then power on the terminal. Follow the on-screen prompts to set language, date, and time. Load the receipt paper correctly and run a paper feed test. Verify battery charge if portable, and confirm firmware updates complete before processing live transactions for reliable operation. Tap Sale on the main menu, enter the exact amount, and press Enter to initiate a charge. When prompted, ask the customer to insert chip, swipe magnetic stripe, or tap contactless payment. Watch the screen for authorization and wait until the terminal displays approved. Offer a printed receipt or email copy based on customer preference, and always confirm the last 4 digits match the card for secure acceptance before handing back the card. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes checking merchant manuals and troubleshooting guides simple and convenient when you are on the move. It's lightweight, has great battery life, and is perfect for storing receipts and quick reference PDFs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If the terminal acts up, restart it first to clear temporary errors and re-establish connections. Verify your Wi-Fi network name and password, or plug in an Ethernet cable for more stable communication during peak hours. Ensure firmware finishes installing and that the SIM or backup connectivity is active for mobile units. For persistent error codes or locked terminals, contact your merchant services, support for device-specific diagnostics, and override codes to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.